Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and protective gloves to shield yourself from potential battery acid exposure. Make sure your Chrysler 300 is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. The battery is typically located in the trunk, often beneath the cargo cover or floor mat. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, first loosen the nut on the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign. Carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away to prevent accidental contact with any metal. Then, remove the red plastic cover from the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Loosen that 10mm nut and remove the positive cable as well. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. You'll find a battery hold-down clamp, often secured by a 10mm bolt at the rear of the battery. Use your socket and extension to remove this bolt and the hold-down. Once the battery is free, carefully lift it out of the tray. Remember, car batteries are heavy, so lift with your legs and be cautious to avoid injury. To install your new battery, carefully lower it into the tray, ensuring it's properly seated. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten its 10mm bolt until the battery is secure. Now, connect the positive cable first, tightening the 10mm nut. Then, connect the negative cable and tighten its nut. Make sure both terminals are snug. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other great deals and resources mentioned in this video. Finally, replace any trunk coverings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.